Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find a wallet address on CoinEx. To find a wallet address on CoinEx, first of all launch open the CoinEx application and make sure that you are logged into your account. After logged in, go ahead and tap on the Assets button at the bottom right hand corner. From the Assets page, select the Deposit button on the top left and then select a cryptocurrency from the top of the screen. You will be able to see a cryptocurrency displayed. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see several other cryptocurrencies. Select the cryptocurrency for which you want to find a wallet address for, and right after you do that, you will be able to see your wallet address and the QR code displayed on the screen. This is the wallet address to which you can send funds. Simply tap on the Deposit Address Copy button in order to copy your deposit address. Ensure you are copying the correct address for the cryptocurrency you are depositing, as sending the wrong coin to an address can result in the loss of your funds. So if you are trying to receive Bitcoin, make sure that you have selected Bitcoin and copy the wallet address or the deposit address of your Bitcoin. After you are done, you have copied the correct address, you can send this address to anyone that you are trying to receive Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency from. You can also let people scan this QR code shown on the page directly via their mobile devices. So that's how you easily find your deposit address or your wallet address on CoinEx. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.